It's lovely, we've got nice blue skies. Bit off topic. Was going to make a video about this, but I don't think it'll be long enough. I'll put a picture up. They've got... What the hell? Yes guys, what is going on? It's me right here. Your eyes are not playing a trick on you. Yes, that is blue skies. I've got to be honest with you, we've not had blue skies at all. Still been really shit weather. I'd just like to say sorry I haven't made any videos, but before I even say sorry, I've got to say thank you. I mean, I think I gained like 60 subs just from one video, which is absolutely madness, and I appreciate that a lot. I don't expect much from this, it's just a bit of fun, something to do with my hobby, you know. I like making videos and I like riding bikes, so it's a win-win situation for me, just making some memories. And yeah, the summer is coming, we're into the spring, we're getting little hints of it here and there. I have been really busy, so haven't had much time to enjoy it, and again, like I said, the weather's not really let us enjoy it either. I just wanted to give you a little update. So me and Dad have booked a bike, what would you call it, bike. It's at Bewley House. It's like a massive bike meet, so we're going to be going to that. So that's one event booked for that could definitely make a video. And I'm also trying to mock up some ideas for other videos. I've got like, I want to do like 5 things I hate, 5 things I love of the bike. I think that's a good idea. And then obviously the main one would be a review. I guess everyone would want to see that one, but I obviously don't want to just answer the questions that are already out there and already been answered. I'd like to hear from people what they would actually like to hear, and I'd like to answer everyone's questions if they've got any. So yeah, that would make the video a lot better for me. But I have to say, as the weather gets warmer, biking's just getting better and better for me. So if you don't know if you want to do it or not, and you're umming and ahhing, I promise you won't regret it. It's once you get past the sort of fear of it and the butterflies, it's the best thing I ever did. There's so much freedom. I got a driving license, but it's not like a car. It's so much fun. Meet so many people. I mean, I'm only on a 125. Can't imagine what it'd be like when I get a better bike, you know. It just gets better and better, and when the sun's out and you're riding on a nice road, you can't beat it. As long as you're not dealing with idiot drivers, which is difficult, let's be honest, then yeah, it's great fun. So if you want to do it, just bloody do it. It's lovely, we've got nice blue skies. It's dry. Even today though, it absolutely hammered it down for most of the morning, and it's cold, still cold. And tomorrow apparently we could have up to 70-mile-an-hour winds, which is terrifying. Don't really want to be on my bike in that. That doesn't sound like something I want to be in. I'll ride in pretty much anything. I've been soaked a million times, but not wind. It throws you around. It's windy today, and it also don't do your ears any favour if you ain't got a good helmet. I have got a decent helmet, but it's not great at wind blocking, so I still get my ears drums a bit battered. Sometimes I drown it out with a bit of music, but then if you put fast-paced music on, sometimes that can hinder you. But you want to be a bit of a madman. But yeah, I really want to start knocking out some content now the weather's coming a bit better. But I'm a bit stuck. I don't just want to be making random videos like this. Obviously this is good, just talking, but that guy definitely knew I was talking to myself in the bus stop. Yeah, I don't just want to be making random videos. I want to actually make some content that people are going to gain things off of. No, I really want to answer people's questions that they've got for this bike. Don't just want to say the same thing that everyone else is saying. Um, and if you really want the main answer, I love it, absolutely love it. Oh, I was going to go then, that would have been silly of me. That'll do. Oh, cheers mate. Bit off topic, was going to make a video about this, but I don't think it'll be long enough. I'll put a picture up. They've got unmarked police bikes, the wildest thing I've ever seen. If you're in the south area, they're proper on it, number plates, everything. Obviously that's not, I mean, it could be our problem as a bike, but mainly cars problem. But fucking hell, if they'll be picking on all of us this summer, so just ride safe, be careful, make sure you're legal, don't be naughty boys and you'll be fine. But I couldn't believe it. I was driving the other day, so I'm a delivery driver, and I was driving the other day, and then I've seen this bike pull over this other bike, and I'm like, that's not a police bike, and it's a blacked out GS, and yeah, it for sure was a police bike with hidden lights in it. It's wild. They're doing everything they can now, so just keep an eye out. GS, and I've seen a picture of a Kawasaki. I haven't got confirmation of that in person, but I've seen a picture of it. I don't know if it is. Didn't have any blue lights on or anything, but yeah, be careful. What the hell? Goodness me. Kids find entertainment out of anything, don't they? So anyway, I wanted to just give you a bit of an update as to why there was no videos. Obviously rain, shit weather, you know how it is the UK, and just been so busy. We're going to London this weekend, so I'm busy this weekend. I've only done this video because the weather was nice. I was going on a different route, and I thought it would be a good chance to make a video. So I'm literally, yeah, just getting my hair cut, and I haven't got much GoPro battery. I just wanted to give an update. So videos are coming. I need your help, just a little few ideas. I don't want to, you know, people seem to enjoy the videos, but I don't want to keep making the same thing. Got to be different, because it's what people like. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and bring on the summer. It is coming. It's going to be great, promise.